How to dress up. While conducting an interview, your dress is something that is going to honor your guest actually. So you have to be at your best. Make sure you get a nice jacket, a good tie, and never wear these checked shirts. Yes, it's a big no to these checked shirts while you're taking an interview, because the interview is actually the dressing in an interview is to honor the guest. So you have to be at your best and you have to wear something that creates a very positive energy in your guest. So get your jacket, get a tie with some floral and colorful prints on it, like these that we are mentioning here, that you can see them. And so within these colors you are going to create some good energy and very good effect on your guest. You are going to excite them. They are going to feel more interested towards your questions and towards the entire event. You know, for example, if you are a woman with veil, you cover your head with a scarf, do that, but still you can have some very good prints of your scarf, like these ones that can contain some good floral prints and some good colors that is going to excite your guests and even the audience. So no matter what you wear, you can select some good combination of colors and prints to look good in front of your guest and in front of your audience. So make sure to pick up the right dress for your interview, because it matters a lot to your guest and to your viewers and eventually to the quality of your show. Thank you.